it's your girl Alicia Jones back again with a new video. And in today's video, I'm excited for this one because I don't think I've ever tried crochet hair like this, but this is by Bobbi Boss. And this, okay, maybe I'm a little too excited. This is their Xtra Boho 3X box, loose, deep, and 20 inches. I saw this and then I saw another hair which was twist, and I couldn't decide, so I just picked this one because it was a little bit cheaper, like $3 cheaper. So this is part of their first class hair brand, and yeah, so this is what it looks like. Let me take it out the packaging so y'all can see, because the packaging does not do it justice, but it's very, very pretty. This is what it looks like. Now let me show y'all my braiding pattern. Then when I finish this install, I gotta remember to shoulder hair. But this is the front, the sides, the back. Okay, so now we're gonna install this hair. I do not have a lot of time. I got about like 35 minutes, so I'm going to probably breeze through this install. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the front. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, y'all, so I started the back. I always like to do my back off camera because I feel like the back of my head look trash. So this is the first pack and some of the second pack. So this is what the loops looks like. It's a very loose loop, which I like because it's easier to install and maneuver. So I just take the latch hook, put it under my little plait. When I do styles like this, I like to do plaits. So I pull it through. And when you also do plaits, you want to make sure that you don't have your hair too tight, because it'll be really hard to pull it through and it'll be painful too, and you don't want to do that. So make sure you pull the curl through too. Now that part is a little bit annoying because there's so many strands on, there's so many curls that it's hard to pull them all through. And then I'm going to repeat, put the latch hook on. Now this one I might have did too tight. Yeah, it hurts to pull that mug through. And then I just place it. But the look of this, y'all, I really like. Put it on there, close it, pull it through. I usually try to put the end on there. It's easier to pull it through, and then I try to pull all the curls through as best as I can, and then I tighten it. Now I'm not gonna pull the fronts too tight, but basically this is what we got. And then I just comb my fingers through to make sure I pull the rest. But y'all, this style is gonna be so cute. It's perfect for summer. So I'm gonna put that over there again, put it on the latch hook, pull it through. And for me, for some reason, no matter how loose I try to braid, I still never braid loose. I still braid tight for some reason, and it's so frustrating. And a tad bit annoying because I'm thinking that I'm doing the braid loose and it's still too tight. Okay. But y'all, look at the curls. Look at them curls, y'all. So I got a few more minutes left before I gotta jet on up out of here. My son's going to the movies, so I'm going to go take him to go hang out with his friends. But yeah, you see, and what I like about this is that the curls, it kind of hides the braid. So pretty. Okay, so we're gonna do that one right there. So yeah, that one's a little bit too tight. Baby, I'm gonna need to take an Advil after this. Okay, so just keep repeating it until you finish it. Now you can do any braiding pattern that you like. You could just do straight back. You can also do the plaits like I did, but it is easier for me to do the plaits because I like to go for a more natural look, and that's why I do the plaits. But like again, you gotta do what's easiest for you. You gotta do what works for you as well. So I had to go to a different beauty supply to find this hair, and it's a beauty supply that's local to me, but I don't really go to it because to me their selection of hair is not the best. But I saw this and I was like, oh wow. Guys, so this is the finished look. I love it. I did take just like 2 inches off the bottom, but I love this. I'm so glad I ran across this hairstyle. If you notice, I showed all the parts. I showed the back, I showed like how it looks like this, because I've been getting a lot of comments on what does the top look like, what does like the back look like. So that's why I wanted to show like this is what the top looks like. So there you go. So again, this is Bobbi Boss's Xtra Boho, and the Xtra Boho just means that it has a lot more curls to it, boho curls, and that's why you see like you can barely see the braids unless you look like up close. You can see it, but if I step back, it just look like a crochet, just the crochet curls, no braids. So y'all, I love this. I cannot wait to come back and show y'all the twisted one that I saw. It's by Bobbi Boss as well, but this is the finished look. 20 inches, I'm 5'3". This is what it looks like on me. That's what it looks like. And yeah, y'all, I like this hair. I love this hair so much. It does get tangled a little bit, but not that much. And yeah, so I'm not sure if I will come back with a review. If y'all are interested in a review, please let me know down below in the comments and your girl can come back with a review. But yeah, you guys, this is synthetic hair, so yeah, I will be back. And well, I don't know if I'll be back. It's based on if y'all want to see the review. But thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Easy install, besides the fact of trying to pull all the boho pieces through. That part was kind of annoying, but other than that, easy install. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.